Imagine walking into a living room that instantly embraces you with warmth, comfort, and nostalgia. That's the magic of farmhouse decor, a perfect blend of rustic charm and cozy elegance. Whether you're starting fresh or looking to refresh your space, farmhouse living room design is all about creating a welcoming retreat for family and friends. Today, we'll explore inspiring ideas to bring that farmhouse warmth into your home. From rustic furniture to vintage accents, every detail plays a role in making your space inviting. Think of soft, overstuffed sofas, natural wood textures, and antique-inspired accessories. The right elements can transform even the simplest room into a cozy farmhouse haven. Stay with me as we break down the essentials of farmhouse living room decor step by step. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Nothing says farmhouse decor like rustic wood. Whether it's a reclaimed wood coffee table, exposed wooden beams, or a distressed wood accent wall, these natural materials instantly add warmth. Picture a cozy farmhouse living room with a weathered barnwood mantel above the fireplace, showcasing vintage candlesticks and an old clock. Adding wooden furniture with a raw, unfinished look enhances the rustic aesthetic. If you're feeling creative, DIY wood projects like pallet shelves or a farmhouse-style TV stand can add personalized charm. A wooden ladder draped with a chunky knit blanket brings texture and visual interest. The key is to mix different wood tones to create a layered, lived-in feel. Combining light oak with dark walnut or whitewashed wood gives depth to the space. Let your furniture tell a story through its natural imperfections. Your farmhouse living room should invite people to sit, relax, and stay a while. A plush, oversized sofa with soft linen or cotton slipcovers is a farmhouse essential. Imagine curling up with a book on a deep-seated couch adorned with neutral-toned pillows and a fringed throw blanket. Pairing the sofa with tufted armchairs or a distressed leather recliner adds both comfort and character. If space allows, a cozy window seat with built-in storage can become the perfect reading nook. For extra farmhouse charm, opt for a well-worn, vintage-style rocking chair in the corner. Consider mixing seating options, like pairing a wooden bench with upholstered cushions for a blend of rustic and soft textures. Comfort should be at the forefront, making your farmhouse decor feel as inviting as possible. Don't forget a chunky wool rug to complete the cozy atmosphere. A sturdy farmhouse coffee table is the heart of any farmhouse living room. Think of a reclaimed wood table with a distressed white base, offering a perfect balance of rustic and elegant. Picture it topped with a woven tray filled with candles, books, and a small vase of fresh flowers. If space allows, matching side tables with vintage-style lamps add extra charm. Consider a trunk-style coffee table for both function and aesthetics, doubling as storage for blankets and board games. Another great idea is using an old wooden crate stacked with books as a side table. The worn-in, aged look gives a sense of history and warmth. Mixing in elements like wrought iron legs or metal accents enhances the rustic feel. Whether repurposed or newly crafted, your coffee table should be as inviting as it is practical. The color scheme of a farmhouse living room is all about soft, soothing hues. Think of creamy whites, warm beiges, and muted grays that create a light and airy feel. Imagine walking into a space where the walls are painted in soft grayish, complementing warm wood accents and cozy textiles. A neutral color palette allows the natural materials and vintage decor to take center stage. For added depth, introduce subtle pastel tones like sage green or dusty blue in throw pillows and decor pieces. Whitewashed walls and exposed brick further enhance the rustic charm. If you love contrast, a black painted accent wall can add drama without overpowering the cozy aesthetic. The beauty of farmhouse decor lies in its simplicity, understated yet effortlessly elegant. Texture plays a huge role in farmhouse decor, making the space feel lived in and inviting. Picture a farmhouse living room with soft linen curtains, a jute rug, and a chunky knit throw draped over the arm of a sofa. Woven baskets not only provide storage but also add organic texture to the room. Mixing materials, like a wool blanket on a leather chair or a burlap runner on a wooden table, creates a harmonious balance. Don't be afraid to layer. A combination of metal, wood, and soft textiles enhances the cozy factor. Even small details like tassels, frayed edges, or macrame wall hangings contribute to the inviting farmhouse aesthetic. When designing a space, think beyond just looks. Textures should make your home feel warm and comforting. The right lighting can make all the difference in your farmhouse living room. Imagine a grand wooden chandelier with wrought iron details hanging over your coffee table, casting a warm glow. Wall sconces with Edison bulbs add vintage charm, while a distressed wood floor lamp creates cozy corners for reading. Soft, warm lighting enhances the rustic ambience, making the space feel welcoming at any time of the day. Lantern-style pendant lights over an entryway table add farmhouse character. Candles and vintage holders placed throughout the room bring an extra layer of warmth. Whether modern or antique, lighting should complement the rustic yet elegant farmhouse aesthetic. Walls are an essential part of farmhouse decor, setting the tone for the entire farmhouse living room. A large distressed wooden clock can serve as a stunning focal point above the fireplace. Vintage-inspired gallery walls filled with old family photos, antique mirrors, and botanical prints create a nostalgic atmosphere. Wooden signs with cozy farmhouse quotes add a touch of personality. Floating shelves filled with stacked books, small plants, and rustic trinkets complete the look. Adding shiplap or board and batten to one wall enhances the classic farmhouse aesthetic. Consider a wrought iron or window pane style mirror to reflect natural light and create an open, airy feel. The right wall decor makes your space feel like a curated, cozy retreat. Bringing nature indoors is a key aspect of farmhouse living room decor. Fresh or faux greenery in ceramic or galvanized metal pots adds a vibrant touch. Imagine a rustic wooden shelf adorned with cascading eucalyptus, or a farmhouse table centerpiece featuring wildflowers in a mason jar. Adding plants like fiddle-leaf figs or olive trees enhances the organic charm. Wreaths made of dried lavender or cotton branches add a farmhouse touch to doors and walls. Incorporating greenery softens the rustic elements and makes the space feel more inviting. Whether real or artificial, florals bring life and warmth to a farmhouse decor setup. There you have it, 10 ways to create a cozy and inviting farmhouse living room. From rustic wooden accents to cozy seating and layered textures, every element plays a part in transforming your space. Whether you're drawn to vintage charm or a more modern farmhouse twist, these ideas help you craft a home that feels warm and welcoming. What's your favorite farmhouse decor idea? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cozy home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.